Hello everyone, so my name is Navleen and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I would say hit that subscribe button right there. And yes, and this tutorial is all about two very simple but super cute hairstyles which goes well for any hair length and is kind of casual to party wear to cute girls day out kind of hairstyle. And all you need for this hairstyle is one hair scarf, couple of bobby pins and hair elastics. So before jumping on to this tutorial, I would love if you can drop in your suggestions. If you have anything in your mind which you want me to try out for any specific hair length, any hairstyle, I would love to do it. And yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. Bye bye. So to make scarf pony braid hairstyle, the first thing first you need to do is to tie a ponytail. And the trick here is tie your ponytail a little higher than normal, because once you start braiding your hair, it'll tend to fall down a little. So tie a little higher. So now take your hair scarf, one end, pull it across the hair elastic like I'm doing. Do it very slowly and then double the hair scarf. Make sure you don't pull any of your hair. Now divide your hair into two parts just like this and tighten your pony again. Now what you need to do is you need to put across the hair scarf in figure of 8. So now I'm taking the hair scarf below my left hair strand, now above my left hair strand, below my right hair stand, and again on top of my right hair stand. It's little complicated, but if you will see it carefully, I'm just twisting it in the figure 8. Make sure you are not pulling your hair too tightly while braiding, or else you're gonna twist your braid. Keep doing this till the end of the hair length and just tie it with a hair elastic. There you go, you have a beautiful scarf braid. You can also pull out your hair for more volume. So the second is volume or scarf bun. All you need to do is, once you are done with your pony hair scarf braid, you just need to twist it around your hair and use U-pin or bobby pin like I am doing. Do it very carefully, don't hurt yourself, and just secure it with the U-pins. Don't use a hair elastic, or else you won't get the same shape of the bun which you want. And there you go, you have super voluminous braided bun look, which looks perfect for a casual evening kind of look. Do let me know how did you like the tutorial in the comment section.